Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now let me show you how you will print report summary from classera for your subject. For example, right now you can see on your screen ICT. I want to print out a report summary for this subject. Okay. So first of all, you have to log in your username and password for your account and then go to the report cards. You can see here, if you will come here, then there is a option here, grade management. Click on it, then choose report summary from here. For example, section 1. If I will click here, you can see here section 1, grade 7, course ICT, and all of the marks are here. Export to Excel. Click on it, then open that one. After that, export your file and then open it, and then you can see here there are some extra space, okay, in this report card, like these columns you can see here, these are extra parts, so I don't need it, and these numbers, because I don't need it, these ID numbers in report card. So what you have to do, you have to delete it that from here and then adjusted these columns. Now look at here. And one more thing, if you want to edit your names, you can insert rows here. Write it your name, then subject, then semester, whatever you want. After that, print out. How you will print it? Go to the file and there is an option here, print. Click on it and then check it, landscape orientation. Okay, click on it. No need to do it portrait orientation, otherwise it will take vertical and it will cut at some columns. Okay, you can't see it after that. So click on landscape orientation. That's all. Thank you very much, and after that you have to print it.